Hey guys, Arie here, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a $1 million a month brand that is running an amazing strategy here on Shopify. So this is going to be an incredible strategy for you to use if you want to drive traffic to your store for free. Now, of course, to make $1 million a month is going to be pretty difficult through just organic traffic, but hopefully after this video, you'll have a good idea on how you can just start driving more traffic to whatever it is you're selling. And obviously, if you're trying to sell anything online, the best place to do that is Shopify. So make sure you use the link in the description after this video is done and start your Shopify store today. But the store that I'm talking about is called Pop Flex. And Pop Flex is basically just a clothing brand, a fashion brand. And what's really cool is how consistent the traffic that they get is. So far this year, they've had 2 months where they've driven over 1 million monthly visitors. Their average order value is actually pretty high as well. So given what we know about their traffic, we can estimate that this brand does well over $1 million a month. I'm guessing it's probably anywhere from 2 to 3 million a month, but we try to be conservative here on the channel just in case. Now, even though this is a beautiful brand, it's super congruent. Product imagery is just amazing. They really branded this store beautifully. Like, we can't really deny that. But really, that's not the main point of this video, though that is something worth noting. Also, what's interesting is that this is a very simple Shopify layout. You can create a Shopify store almost identical to this with the free themes. But what's interesting here is the strategy that they're using on YouTube Shorts. And somebody in the Netsphere Discord here actually posted this short because of how genius it is. Okay, so I actually can't play the video with sound because they are using a copyright song, but let me just explain it to you. Also, I'll link the video in the description so you can go maybe follow along with this video. But what she's doing is she's making an incognito unitard, so for working out, so that people don't come up to you and, you know, hassle you. It's actually not real though. That's kind of the point. This is like a parody, right? So this brand is doing a lot of parody type of things. And as you see here, let me show you the description. They're linking to Pop Flex. So this is a massive strategy. And look at how many views this video has. 50 million views since April 1st. That's a ridiculous amount of views, and it's all organic. And if we take a look at their channel, we can see that they're doing this over and over again. Like, they're finding a viral template almost in every single YouTube short that they put out. So for example, here's another one, and in the description, again, it links to Pop Flex. And as you see here on Social Blade, this channel is getting 160 million monthly views organically. This is extremely powerful. So I could see the store easily generating 6 figures per month plus alone just from their organic strategy. So that's not even accounting for any sort of paid ads or anything. And this right here, guys, is basically the exact strategy that I recommend all of our Akemi clients to use, all of you guys to use, and that I use personally as well, is post as much as you possibly can organically while running ads. This is the best combination. There's no reason why you should do one or the other. Do both. And brands like this are just the perfect example, in my opinion, of how far that could take you. I can't imagine how well these guys are going to do during Q4, especially with how much content they're posting. And this is just YouTube Shorts. I'm guessing they're posting these on Instagram Reels, on TikTok, maybe even Pinterest. So very amazing strategy. I highly recommend you guys copy this strategy and utilize it for whatever it is you're selling. Of course, if you're selling anything online, the best place to do that is Shopify. This is a Shopify store right here. Basically, every major brand that you can imagine is on Shopify. And if you use the link in the description, I might get the opportunity to fly out to Shopify and do a collab with them myself. I think we can do it, but that's basically it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.